Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the declaration of C pointer variable and initialization of C pointer variable. Now we will see how we can declare pointer variable. Just like normal variable declaration, we can declare pointer variable. While declaring pointer variable, we have to insert star operator in between data type and variable. To understand easily, we will see the difference between normal variable declaration and pointer variable declaration. So this is the syntax for declaring normal variable. Data type, then followed by variable name. And this is the syntax for declaring pointer variable. That is data type, then star operator and followed by variable name. So in this way we declare normal variable. To declare integer variable, we have to write int then variable name. In this case, that is a. To declare floating point variable, we have to write float then variable name. In this case, the variable name is b. To declare character variable, we have to write char then variable name. In this case, that is c. Now we will see how we declare pointer variable. To declare integer variable as a pointer, we have to write int then star operator followed by variable name. In this case, it is a. To declare floating point variable as a pointer, we have to write float then star operator followed by variable name. In this case, it is b. To declare character variable as a pointer, we have to write char then star operator followed by variable name. In this case, it is c. There are number of ways in which we can declare pointer variable. First, data type, then space, and then star operator and variable name. That is int space then star a. Next one is data type, then space, then star operator, and then again space, and then variable name. That is int space star space a. Next one is data type, then star operator, then space, and then variable name. That is int star, then space, and then a. All the three methods are correct, but first method is preferred and is mostly used. Now we will see how to initialize the pointer variable. Initialization to pointer variable means we try to assign the address of another variable. While initializing the pointer variable, make sure that pointer variable as well as the variable whose address we are storing must have the same data type. That is, if the normal variable is having the integer data type, then we can initialize the address of that variable in pointer variable which has the integer data type. This is the example of initialization of pointer variable. So first we have declared one variable of type integer, that is int a. Then we have declared one variable of type integer, so that variable is of type pointer variable, that is int star p. and then we have initialized the pointer variable, that is p equal to and a. So here the address of a will be stored in p. While initializing, make sure that both variables data type must be same. So here p and a is having integer data type. This is the small program of initializing pointer. Here first we have declared a and initialized 10 to the variable a. Next we have declared ptr as a pointer variable, and then we have initialized the address of a to the variable ptr. So here ptr will hold the address of variable a, not the value which variable a is having. That is, ptr will not have the value 10, it holds address of a.